Learn to express small sizes in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a very important part of describing things in English: size descriptors. Specifically, we'll focus on how to describe small sizes. We use these words quite frequently in daily life, whether you're shopping, cooking, or just describing the world around you. So, let's get started. The first and most basic word to describe smallness is, of course, small. It's a simple, universal term that we can use to describe just about anything from small objects to small animals. However, English is a rich language and offers a variety of words that convey smallness. Let's explore some of these. Tiny. This is used to describe something that is extremely small. Petite. This word is often used to describe small and elegant things, often used for people, clothing, or jewelry. Miniature. This describes something that is a much smaller version of what's typical. Compact. This describes something small, but efficient or effectively arranged. Little. It's another very common word that denotes a small size. When we compare the sizes of different things, we often use the comparative and superlative forms of these adjectives. Here's how you use them: small, smaller, smallest; tiny, tinier, tiniest; little, littler, littlest. Note: for some adjectives, like petite and compact, we typically don't use the comparative or superlative forms. Instead, we use more and most. For example, this dress is more petite than the one I bought last week. Out of all the devices, this one is the most compact. English also has idiomatic expressions that can describe smallness. Some of the most common ones are small as a mouse. This is used to describe something or someone that is very small and often not noticeable. Teeny weeny. This is a fun, casual term used to describe something very small. Itty bitty. This is another casual term that you can use to talk about small things. It's often used in a playful or affectionate context. That wraps up our lesson on how to describe small sizes in English. Remember, the best way to truly understand and become comfortable with these terms is to use them in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to tune in for the next one where we'll explore more size descriptors. Happy learning!